Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Confirm Airtel actually offers 5G where you are and that your phone supports the required bands. Next, make sure your OS and carrier settings are up to date because outdated profiles block 5G. Physically reseat the SIM in the original tray, then toggle airplane mode on and off to force a fresh network registration. Once done, set preferred network type to 5G in mobile settings and restart the radio by toggling mobile data. Now you dive into configuration. Manually pick the Airtel network rather than leaving it on automatic so the phone locks to the correct operator. Inspect APN settings and confirm the exact Airtel values. Incorrect APN can prevent 5G registration. If your phone supports SA/NSA mode, choose the recommended mode for Airtel in developer or network settings. If changes don't apply, back up important data and perform a network settings reset to clear stale profiles and restore proper registration parameters. Finish by rebooting the phone and testing in multiple spots because indoor signal can vary widely. Moving outdoors often reveals 5G. If the icon still won't appear, contact Airtel and request provisioning check or a 5G-compatible SIM provisioned for your account. Make sure to mention your device model and band support. As a single troubleshooting tip, swap your SIM into a known 5G phone if that device shows 5G. The issue is your handset. If not, Airtel provisioning or local coverage is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.